Hey guys, welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 184. I've got 5 Christmas-themed niches that are going to be selling extremely well right now, but especially after Thanksgiving. So let's get to it. Let's kick things off with an Amazon merch 7-day sales update. I made 451 sales, bringing in $1,242 on the US market on $6,800 in sales, and about another 110, 111 sales from the international markets, bringing in even more money, maybe another $350 or so. If you want to follow me on Instagram, linked in the description, I post daily sales updates to my story for motivation. All right, here are the top 10 best-selling shirts. And as expected, they are all pretty much Thanksgiving themed, except maybe the Guess What chicken butt behind me, which, by the way, of course, the Guess What turkey butt shirt had to come out of hibernation for the Thanksgiving sales rush. By the way, let me know in the comments, have you guys been making any Thanksgiving sales? I've been making Thanksgiving sales, not only on Amazon merch, but pretty much across the board, Etsy, Walmart. I haven't posted any Thanksgiving designs to eBay, if I'm being honest, but let me know, have you guys been making any Thanksgiving sales? I'd love to hear from you. All right, niche number 1, this is a forward-looking show. Not that these aren't selling really well right now, but as I mentioned, every niche we show will be selling well, especially after Thanksgiving passes, which is less than a week away. Niche number 1, how about Christmas Bigfoot? Okay, this is a Christmas-themed episode. These are all Christmas sub-niches that are accessible. And by the way, don't forget to use Placeit for all of your Christmas sweatshirt, t-shirt, anything Christmas related mock-up needs. As you can see, they've got a ton of different Christmas themed mock-ups to really help your designs shine. You're of course going to make pretty much all of your sales in between, Thanksgiving and Christmas, right? So very seasonal. So here you go. In the design category, you got some Bigfoot silhouettes. The one behind me is actually pretty cool. It's got that like plaid pattern. You've got people who are better graphic designers making actual Bigfoot graphics wrapped in, Christmas lights, carrying Christmas trees, carrying candy canes, etc. You got the ugly sweater version right there. So Bigfoot is surprisingly one of those niches you can cross niche with pretty much anything. All right, niche number 2 this week. Due to inflation, I feel like these shirts really popped up and became popular maybe in the last 2 to 3 years as, the consumer in America and probably around the world really started to feel the effects of central banks inflating the purchasing power of our currency away. Another reason why you might want to look into Bitcoin, just saying. Due to inflation, this is my ugly Christmas sweater. All right, there's a lot of ways to attack this. There's a lot of ways to put fun spins on it. Actually, one behind me here, due to inflation, this is my Halloween costume. So people were doing it for Halloween. They're doing it for Christmas. If I hide myself really quickly, look behind me. Due to inflation, this is my Halloween costume, Thanksgiving shirt, and Christmas shirt. That's called getting some bang for your buck right there. All right, there's other ways to spin it too. Due to inflation, this is my ugly Christmas sweater crossed out. And then it says t-shirt. So a lot of different ways to approach this and have fun with it. Niche number 3 this week. Shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Design Musketeer. Not only can they help you with your print-on-demand designs, but they can also help you with your branding. And if you're running ads, they can help with that too. Don't just take me at my word. Eric, the founder of Shine On, a popular print-on-demand production partner, has been using them for over 7 years and highly recommends them. So check out Design Musketeer. They're going to be linked at the very top of the description for your help with everything related to design. Niche number 3 this week, how about Christmas cats? Cats, another thing that can be cross-niched with just about anything, right? There are certain things like dinosaurs, the gnomes, Bigfoot apparently, cats. Christmas cats, there's actually some funny sub-niches. You got the first one there, BSR of 5,800. It says cats for everybody. And you've got Santa in his sleigh literally throwing cats out to everybody. The one next to that, you've just got some cats wrapped in Christmas lights and got presents and snow. The one next to that's actually super cool. I don't know how they did that. You guys see this one I'm talking about right here? It's just made of like red, white, and green snowflakes. But the way they did it, it's like almost flawless. There's no gaps. If you have that sort of design ability, more power to you. I do not have that kind of design ability. That is really cool. I mean, you can use Creative Fabrica and do like the word cloud if you want to fill it with words, but I don't know about that snowflake effect. That's cool. Next one, like ugly Christmas sweaters. One behind me, the two behind me both say cats for everybody. What else? I heard Santa on the roof, so I turned on the fireplace. I know I saw a bunch of these as well outside of the top 10. So another sub niche right there for Christmas cats. I heard Santa on the roof, so I turned on the fireplace. I don't have cats, but I'm going to venture a guess that your cats, some people's cats can turn on the fireplace if you have a switch. All right, niche number 4 this week, chest and nuts, the chestnuts shirts. The matching shirts, by the way, a nice chance to increase your average order value because you can sell 2 shirts to one person instead of just one, right? Probably a lot of fun for holiday parties and whatnot. So you've got some shirts that say chest, some shirts that say nuts, and of course, strategic placement of the Christmas ornaments. Don't miss that part. You might have to do a double take and be like, I see it now. All right, so the chestnut shirts. By the way, the Grinch style shirts, they are all over Amazon merch, and I would highly, highly, highly give my strongest recommendation against including any elements in your Christmas designs that may be misconstrued to be related to the Grinch. I would highly recommend against that. All right, niche number 5, white elephant. I mentioned that I've had a lot of success in the past selling to office holiday parties. You know what I mean? Selling things that can be used as gifts for office holiday parties. So white elephant is what I was reminded is what it's called. All right, white elephant, the Secret Santa like gift exchange. I guess it's not Secret Santa, right? White elephant is where you pick a gift at random and then somebody else can take your gift. Isn't that how it works? It's been a while. I don't miss working a day job, but I did mention I used to MC the office white elephant every year, and that was always a lot of fun. So a lot of different ones. Oh crap, I picked the wrong white elephant gift. I went to a white elephant party and all I got was a stupid t-shirt. That's actually kind of funny. Best white elephant gift ever behind me. So there's a couple different ways you can spin this. My personal favorite, if I had to choose, is I went to a white elephant party and all I got was this stupid shirt. All right, emerging trends. So all of these shirts behind me, these 15, are outperforming their 30-day average BSR. Okay, I'm just here for the pie. It's leg day. You've got a Philadelphia Jalen Hurts reference. Definitely don't do that. That person's going to get banned. Another cat shirt, this time made of circles. That's interesting. You've got the Thanksgiving shirt next to it for the gaming. All the games are like pumpkin and fall themed. That's really cool. Santa with the golf ball. A lot of interesting different ways to approach this, guys. Of course, you know, a lot of them are Thanksgiving themed, and that would have been useful to know about a month ago. But, you know, you've got some like up there, the Christmas themed. Dead inside, but jolly AF. You know what I mean? So the skeleton Christmas. There you go. Take that one away. All right, looking ahead, at least 1 month out, December 19th, look for an evergreen day. December 20th, Go Caroling Day. December 21st, Humbug Day. December 22nd, National Date Nut Bread Day. And December 23rd, probably wouldn't sell on Amazon merch, but maybe Etsy, Festivus. Removed designs. These are all removed in the last 2 weeks, either by Amazon or by the uploader. So take a quick peek at that. Someone made some room for winter themed designs and they deleted a cruise themed design. If you've got like, you know, 2023 stamped in your designs, you might want to delete them if they didn't sell. You know what I'm saying? Like if they didn't sell, because I mean, who's going to buy a 2023 shirt in 2024? Probably not too many people. All right, guys, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you found it helpful. By the way, quick reminder, I do have a full print-on-demand course where you can learn exactly how I make 6-figure passive income profits every year since 2019. Started while having 2 jobs, and now I do it while, you know, having a YouTube channel, a course, a private community, because it's very passive in my approach. If you want to learn my exact approach, check it out, linked in the description. I'll even drop my 20% off link for the week of Black Friday, so you can lock in that discount today. And check out my private community where I do multiple live streams a week. We have incredible guests joining us all the time. If you join, you get the backlog. Your first month is basically free because I'm going to give you Etsy listings worth more than it costs to join. Great opportunity to learn and work together with me, so check that out, linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you tomorrow with a interesting new video, actually, about some people that have been abusing DMCA takedowns on Google and filed over 100,000 of them to boost their print-on-demand business. So that's going to be a fun video to do, and I'll see you there tomorrow.